For decades, Boeing symbolized engineering excellence. Safety, precision, and trust were built into its name. Airlines depended on it. Governments relied on it. Then, competition intensified. A rival launched a more fuel-efficient plane, and Boeing felt pressure to respond fast. Instead of designing something new, Boeing modified an older aircraft to compete. Software was added to compensate for design limits. Deadlines tightened. Warnings were minimized. Inside the company, speed and cost slowly overtook caution. What looked like a smart shortcut on paper became a dangerous gamble in the real world. When failures occurred, the consequences were catastrophic. Trust collapsed overnight. Investigations exposed internal decisions that prioritized schedules over safety. Boeing grounded fleets, paid billions, and faced global scrutiny. The lesson is severe but timeless. Engineering shortcuts do not stay hidden. When safety becomes a variable instead of a constant, failure is only a matter of time. Reputation takes decades to build and seconds to lose.